Hello friends, once again I welcome you all in this video. In last video, we have been talked about the concept of non-verbal communication. At the same time, we have seen one of the great thoughts given by great George Bernard Shaw about non-verbal communication. So friend, in our day-to-day life, this non-verbal communication plays an important role and that we don't understand also. Most of the time, instead of words or written or spoken words, we try to speak in using our body language. Sometimes we go for our gesture, sometimes we go for showing our posture, sometimes we use symbols, sometimes we use pictures, sometimes we use our code language also to communicate the message, and that sort of communication is called as non-verbal communication. Friends, when we travel, during the travel period, we see n number of pictures given by RTO office, and those pictures are also a part of non-verbal communication that we use. So, see, non-verbal communication, as I told you, plays an important role in everybody's life. So, there are certain advantages, and there at the same time, there are certain disadvantages are also there with this particular concept. So, at this particular moment, we are going to talk about the advantages of non-verbal communication. So friend, my question to you all is, what are the advantages of non-verbal communication? How this non-verbal communication is important in our life, and what sort of role this non-verbal communication is playing in our day-to-day life. When it comes to the advantages of non-verbal communication, there are certain advantages of non-verbal communication. One by one we are going to talk on those advantages, and after that we are going to talk about the disadvantages of non-verbal communication. The first of all, we are going to talk about the advantages of non-verbal communication. The first advantage of this non-verbal communication is reliability. See, this non-verbal communication is the most reliable source of communication. How? Because whatever body posture and body gesture and body language that we use, symbols and pictures we use in the process of non-verbal communication, those are reliable. By using those symbols, pictures, and body language and gesture and posture, we can provide reliable information to the other party. It means in the process of communication there are two parties, listener and speaker. So speaker is going to use such kind of pictures and symbols and codes. That information will be the reliable information for the listener. So this one is the biggest benefit, biggest advantage of non-verbal communication. Second advantage is efficient. See, efficient means what sort of role it is going to play. See, as far as non-verbal communication is concerned, the communication that we communicate by using this non-verbal communication, symbols and pictures, gesture and postures, that is more efficient than the oral communication. How? Because see, somebody said like that, which is the best language in this world, and the answer is what? Answer is very simple: body language. See, if you are not aware with any sort of language, but if you know the body language, that creates huge efficiency among the people. See, suppose you are in US and you don't know English, for example, but you can use your body language, you can communicate with the people of US. So this is the most efficient way of communication. For example, you are in Canada and you know only Hindi and Marathi language, you don't know English. So, and you also don't know the Kannada language. So how you will communicate? You can use your body language, gesture, posture, symbol and pictures to communicate with the Kannada people, and there you can manage your day-to-day activities. So this is what somebody said like that, this is the most efficient way of communication, and that is none other than non-verbal communication. Then credibility. So see, as far as the credibility is concerned, the way we use in the process of communication, non-verbal communication, those are credible. So there is a credibility of those ways, those symbols and pictures and codes and body language, and definitely those are credible. And this is what we use all those things in non-verbal communication. then accurate understanding from somebody's body language, somebody's picture, somebody's code language. We can understand the accurate understanding, accurate message that he or she wanted to give from her communication. And this is what somebody said like that. This what is the accurate understanding about the concept when we use non-verbal communication. Time saving. See, in case of oral communication, definitely it consumes huge amount of time. Similarly, when we go for written communication, it also consumes huge amount of time. But in case of non-verbal communication, it is definitely time saving. We require smaller amount of time for the purpose of making communication by using non-verbal communication techniques. So see, this is what we can say, this kind of technique is very very time saving. So here we people have seen the advantages of non-verbal communication. So there are different advantages as we people have discussed: reliability, efficiency, credibility, accurate understanding, and time saving. Moving on to the next and another aspect of non-verbal communication, and that is a little bit negative aspect of non-verbal communication, which is called as disadvantages of non-verbal communication. So there are, as there are certain disadvantages of non-verbal communication. As somebody said that every coin has two sides, one is positive and another one is negative. So positive side also already we have seen, and now we are moving on to the next side, that is negative side. So how this non-verbal communication is not suitable, that we are going to see, and where it is not suitable, that is also we are going to see. The first thing that I'm going to tell you, as far as the disadvantages of non-verbal communication are concerned, the first one, vague and imprecise. See, every time this non-verbal communication is not suitable. Suppose you want to give one long message or lengthy message. In case of lengthy message, this kind of non-verbal communication is not possible. So every time you cannot use body language and gesture and posture. Words, or sorry, symbols and codes are not also used to give a lengthy message. Even in case of pictures also, those are not suitable. So this is the first disadvantage, that is vague and imprecise. Suppose somebody is not understanding your code language, somebody is not understanding the way you are using your body language. In that case, he will get vague message and imprecise message. So this is not suitable at all for lengthy messages. It is suitable for short message. If you want to give one sentence message, if you want to say something about, if you want to show something, if you want to show something to the other person, in that case non-verbal communication is okay. But as far as lengthy and precise messages purpose, this is not suitable. Continuous. See, for continuous messages or for continuous way of communication, this is not suitable. If you want to continue your communication for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours like this, so in those cases this is not possible to continue with non-verbal communication. Multi-channels. As far as non-verbal communication is concerned, there are n number of channels, so n number of ways, n number of variety of ways which can be used to perform the activities, to perform the communication activities in this concept of non-verbal communication. But the person, as I told you, there are two parties which are always involved in the process of communication. They should know about those multi-channels, then only there is use of these multi-channels, otherwise not. If somebody is not aware with those channels, then there is no use of using those channels, right? So this is the one of the most important drawback or disadvantage of non-verbal communication. The next one, not suitable for long distance. If you are sitting in Baramati and if you're I'm sitting in Pune, for those kind of long distance case, this non-verbal communication is not at all possible. So it should be per speaker and person should be at one place, then only it is possible to go for non-verbal communication. And this is what somebody said, this is not suitable for long distance communication process. Next one, lack of formality. Here in case of non-verbal communication, formality is not there. We miss formalities, and this one is a drawback of non-verbal communication, called can be called as lack of formality. There is a lack of formality in the process of non-verbal communication. And another one is costly. When it comes to body language and gesture and posture, it is not costly. When we go for pictures and symbols and other things, definitely it's a little bit costly. or costlier than the verbal communication. So these are the disadvantages of non-verbal communication which we people have seen. Moving on before moving to the next one, just I want to repeat the advantages and disadvantages which we people have seen today. As far as advantages of non-verbal communication is concerned, we people have seen n number of advantages such as reliability, efficient, credibility, accurate understanding, and time saving. Whereas when we were talking about the negative side of non-verbal communication, there we people have seen disadvantages of non-verbal communication, and those are vague and imprecise. Second one that we people have seen continuous multi-channel, not suitable for long distance, lack of formality, and the last one, the last disadvantage which we people have seen about non-verbal communication was costly. It is a very costly than the verbal communication. So this is what for advantages and disadvantages of non-verbal communication. So here we have done with advantages and disadvantages of non-verbal communication. And one more thing we have done here, that is we have done with uh, verbal and non-verbal communication here. So thank you very much for this much. If you have some queries and doubts, you can ask me your queries and doubts by using this online platform. Till then, stay connected, stay tuned, and once again, thank you very much and take care.